just don't want to gut it.
Okay.
Sounds gross.
You had said that I'll gut it, and then after that, you'll cut the meat. Like
I want to try to do that. Yeah, I said I would try to gut it
because you've been around me processing.
Yeah, so
animals
cutting
a lot.
that doesn't bother me, but
Okay.
I have a feeling the smell of gutting it is a different story.
Okay. John,
But I said I would
where
try.
are
Maybe.
you at with that? Do you want me to gut it for you?
Oh,
And then
I
you
want
go.
to try to do as much as I
Oh
can.
no, John has to do it.
Yeah.
Because
go.
otherwise I'll
And
never let him live it down.
Hey, John.
I mean, I remember one of the first times we met, you were processing
Yeah, you're right.
On my kitchen counter.
on the kitchen counter at the old house.
Yeah.
And
What
I
a
was
way
like,
to meet a
I was
guy.
like, what the heck's this guy
Where
doing?
am I taking my daughter to? What is
Are
happening?
we really dropping Kendall off here? Those have eyes. What?
Right?
I'm pretty sure that's when he had the deer hanging from the tree in the backyard too.
That might have been that deer. Yeah. It's very
That's
possible.
I didn't see back in
Or
the
it was
backyard.